48 negative contact on 7 meter altitude. Copy. 44, I'm out.
It's going to be, correction, it's going to be 2300 block of 10th Street, 2307 10th Street Southwest. Saw the male's head through the fence after I heard the shots. Got on my cruiser and went up to the porch, and I saw him putting the rifle away. Shots fired! Shots fired! Police! Get down now! Police! Get down now! Can't come. Shots fired. Send us everybody. Yeah, get him out. He's the one shooting the gun.
I don't have him there right now.
Everybody out of the house now. Get everyone out. Everybody out. All the kids out now.
No, stuffed animal.
Stuffed animal. Can't police. We're coming in. I got mail on the ground.
Hey, so look at stairs. I got the stairs. I got the stairs. Where's he shot?
In the chest.
Got 5.
Hey, check places.
Police!
Got multiple firearms here.
There's body armor back here. Huh? There's body armor back there.
Keep clearing.
Okay.
Body armor on.
Okay.